Since 1967, Art-O-Lite Electric has served commercial and residential markets with a top-tier and highly skilled workforce. LED lighting is a focus in the electrical industry, and we are excited to market these services throughout the Quad Cities. LED lighting provides a safe work environment while saving money and maintenance in your office or facility. LED lighting is one of the most dramatic and cost-effective upgrades that can be done today. Our estimators will provide an audit to determine best solutions, a custom proposal to upgrade your lighting, coordinate installation, and assist with utility company rebate paperwork. Our team will navigate the rebate paperwork process and ensure you receive all qualifying benefits from your local utility provider. Art-O-Lite stands by our reputation and professional work of our electricians. Our professional services are backed by years in the field and rigorous education. We aim to provide the best electrical experience in town. Crawford Company, plumbing, heating, air conditioning, and now Art-O-Lite Electric, serving the Quad Cities commercial and residential markets.